These are lovely Pinot Noir grapes from Patati in Sonoma County, California. The wine capital of California. I know Napa gets a lot of attention, but I think Sonoma's a lot better. Sonoma, a lot more rustic, much better people, not as snobby as and pretentious as Napa. But Sonoma can be snobby and pretentious too, but just not as bad. Capito.
Capiche.
And we had a lovely breakfast this morning, and we're almost done. We just got this one bucket left to go, and we're done crushing. We'll start de-stemming and crushing and making beautiful wine.
No me pidas que me quede esperando, no me pidas que me esconda y me vaya, no me digas que mejor que me aguante para ver si la cabeza me talla. Yo no quiero que me agarre en la noche, no me pidas que ahora tire la toalla, no me pidas que me vaya corriendo, que me rinda sin pelear la batalla.
Mira que la gente ya no se calla, no vale la pena dar más papaya. Mira que la gente ya no se calla, no vale la pena dar más papaya.
Hey.
No, look, he's all grown. We set,
Okay.
and
I'm gonna put it on that little scale
we
we
put
made up.
the barrels in our garage.
I'll mark it
He
up
has
with
a
a
very
+5%.
small garage. But we've outgrown it, so now he has no kind of little garage. And racks
All right, let's do it.
11 or 12
So
barrels.
you gave him your barrel?
Well, it's all sort of shared in a way.
Yeah, well, that's what you said. You gave him to him. So you're going to get your grip on it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's good.
All right, here goes the first batch.
crushing this, and then afterwards we're gonna add a little sulfite to kill any natural fermentation that would occur if we didn't, because we want to control the fermentation. So then we'll add our cultured yeast to it, and then it's gonna ferment on its own for about a week and a half, just in that container right there with a lid on it. Then we're gonna press it off, press the juice off the skins. Once it's done fermenting, the color will be right. If you take the juice now and you look at it, it's white juice, clear juice. So the red wine comes from the color of the skins. From all that time fermenting in contact with the skins, you get all the extraction of the color from the skins. The juice is clear. So we'll taste some juice here in a minute. We'll stick our hands in there and taste it.
Okay.
This is the best part about making wine, is sharing it with your friends. It doesn't taste good if you drink it by yourself. It tastes better when it's with friends.
It's good.